Samsung has been working on a new kind of foldable phone for quite some time now, and fresh leaks are finally giving us a clear picture of what to expect. We're talking about a trifold device, a phone with 3 panels that can unfold into a massive tablet-sized display, but the real question has always been, how would Samsung design it to fold? Now, thanks to some newly leaked animations, we have a better idea. And the answer is, Samsung seems to be playing it safe, but also very smart. The leak comes from animations discovered by a techheist on X, and they appear to be part of a future software build for the device. These animations not only show standard details like the placement of NFC and wireless charging on the back, but, more importantly, how the phone closes. Unlike Huawei's Mate X-T, which folds in a Z-shape and leaves part of the screen exposed, Samsung's design folds completely inward. Imagine it like a letter G. The left panel folds onto the middle, and then both fold onto the right panel. The result? The main flexible display is always protected on the inside. This inward folding design isn't entirely new. Samsung Display showcased something similar earlier this year, MWC 2025, under the name Flex G. That prototype was essentially a teaser for the type of technology we're now seeing leak for the upcoming device. It looks like Samsung's Galaxy Trifold, or Galaxy G Fold, as many are calling it, will adopt this exact mechanism. So why does this matter? Well, when you're spending thousands of dollars on a futuristic device like this, the last thing you want is the screen scratching every time it brushes against your keys or coins in your pocket. Huawei's design is clever, no doubt. By using a single continuous screen, it eliminates the need for multiple panels. But the drawback is that one part of that display is always exposed to the outside world. It's a bold move, but also a risky one. Samsung's approach might not be as flashy, but it's far more practical. What makes all this even more exciting is that Samsung is coming into this trifold game at the perfect time. Just a few months ago, the company's foldables were being criticized as outdated. The Galaxy Z Fold 6, for example, felt clunky compared to rivals like the Oppo Find N5. Many people had written Samsung off as falling behind, but then came the Galaxy Z Fold 7 and the Galaxy Z Flip 7, and suddenly the story changed. These phones were a massive leap forward, sleek, polished, and powerful enough to compete head-on with the best in the market. Sales reflected that turnaround too, with Samsung's foldables gaining serious momentum. Now, if the Galaxy G Fold follows in the same footsteps, we could be looking at something truly special. From what we've seen so far, Samsung isn't just trying to match Huawei, it's trying to outdo them with a design that feels both safer and more consumer-friendly. Of course, we don't yet know all the details about the Galaxy G Fold. Battery size, durability, camera setup, and overall performance are still unknown. But given Samsung's recent track record, expectations are running high. And honestly, even if the specs don't blow us away, the brand recognition alone will give Samsung an edge. Many people who might hesitate to buy a Huawei phone because of limited Google services will feel far more comfortable choosing a Samsung device. Beyond the Fold itself, the bigger picture here is that the smartphone world is entering an exciting new phase. Apple is preparing major overhauls for its iPhone lineup over the next 3 years, with the iPhone 17 Pro already shaping up to be a big redesign. There are even rumors that Apple could finally launch its own foldable device sometime soon. If that happens, the competition between Apple and Samsung will only heat up further. But for now, the spotlight is on Samsung's Trifold. If it really launches later this year, as leaks suggest, it could change the way we think about foldable phones. It's not just about having a bigger screen anymore. It's about smart design, durability, and making foldables practical enough for daily use. When you think about it, this is exactly what consumers want, a futuristic device that doesn't feel fragile or gimmicky. And that's why the Galaxy G Fold might just turn out to be a masterpiece. Even if the battery is smaller or the weight is a little heavier, Samsung is clearly aiming to build the most usable trifoldable phone yet. So, will the Galaxy G Fold live up to the hype? That's the big question. Some people think it'll just be okay, while others are convinced it will be a game changer. If Samsung delivers on what we've seen so far, I'd lean toward the latter. Either way, the next few years are shaping up to be a win for consumers. Whether you're a Samsung fan, an Apple loyalist, or just someone excited about foldable technology, the competition means more choices, better designs, and faster innovation. And right now, Samsung's Galaxy G Fold looks like it could be leading the charge.